Hello, what is up people? How you all doing? So today I have this Avenger 220 Street with me. Well, yes, you might recognize the bike from my previous videos. This is a 2018 Avenger 220 Street. It is my brother's bike. Well, you guys can see here it has ran up to 54,000 within 2 years. Well, the bike ran 30,000 within a 1 year. Well, my bro, he gets the vehicle on everyday basis. He drives it every day. Well, right now we are heading towards Town Hall Road. Town Hall. Basically, we are heading to SP Road. We have a little bit of work and few spare parts to pick up. And so I told I'll tag along. I'll drive his bike. So anyways, let's go. Well, the other speciality on this bike, how he has maintained it, the gears are shifting very smooth. There is no engine issue on the bike. 54,000. He is maintaining the service regimen according to me. After every 5,000 to 6,000 kilometers, he changes the oil filters, air filters, if there is an oil seal leak on the front suspension, those things. This bike is tip-toply good. See, I'm at 4th gear, it's pulling away very nicely. This is what I like to feel on every bike. I don't want like my KTM, I can't pick up my bike in 3rd gear. That's not how it should work. A smoothness, a refinement, that is important. See, now I'm in 5th gear, aram se it's going. There is no jug sound. This is what, man, this is what Bajaj is famous for, the Bajaj engines, with Bajaj 150, 180, 220, the new 160 Street and all. These 4 engines are so smooth. Why is my leg so slipping? I guess it's time to buy new shoes. My shoes is slipping on a tar road. Why is that? On a tarmac road. Wow, that brake is very good. See, the brakes are very good, guys. I'm 3rd gear. See, it's pulling away aram se. 3rd gear, 30 speed. Now 2nd gear. Well, you might guess, how are you guessing the gears? Because I am very much used to my old Pulsar. Even that didn't come with a gear sensor. I have to get used to it. Even this thing, same. My Pulsar, this thing has the same engine. Obviously, that's a 180cc. This is a 220cc. That's all. There is no difference in that. But I must say, this bike, this is really good. My god, this bike is very much perfect in cities. City situation, long drive. Imagine this bike performance on long drives. On the highway, cruising speed is only like 140 for this bike. But at a low RPM, top gear, low RPM, that's all what you need. Yeah, as I was saying, there are few problems in the bikes. Have to replace the clutch plates for the first time in 54,000 kilometers, and have to reset the head. Well, there is no head issue, but for a safer side, they say for every 20 or 25,000 kilometers have to reset your head. But there is no issue. But for a safer side, we are gonna reset the head. If there is any issues from the bearing in the engine, we're just gonna replace those things. But as of for now, we're gonna give the bike for servicing in upcoming days. This particular bike, even I have to give my KTM for servicing. Well. But really, I'm really amazed on this bike, guys. I'm really amazed on this bike. The performance are very good. The smoothness, whenever which bike is smooth, I definitely will compliment that bike. No matter which bike, no matter how much cc does it has. Does it has a capability of pulling the bike in a higher gear at a smoother range? Yep, I'm gonna appreciate it. Does the bike performs very well at the higher RPM than the lower RPM? Yep, I give it a thumbs up. Or the other way around, at lower RPM performs very well if so. Well, by the time I need to change my GoPro and the mic setup, I don't know why. I guess you guys are not able to hear my audio properly while I'm editing. The audio is okay. I feel it's okay. I don't know about you guys, so let me know how the audio is, the audio quality. Overall, I'm wearing a mask inside my helmet. Even that could be a problem. That's why. Wow, this pickups very quickly, guys. There is no issues in the traffic. I can aram se filter around. See, there is no issues. I can easily filter around. Although this has a massive horn in it. I like this horn. You can change the patterns, but there is a cutout here. You can change the patterns. I guess my brother likes this. He likes to fiddle around with the horn switch. Short spins in the city with an Avenger 220 Street. Vare wah. It is picking up very good. I am feeling very confident in this at the congested traffic. I don't feel hesitated. I can take on. Well, my brother is sitting behind, so I'm gonna take it slow. A very, very good bike. A very good bike. Seriously. Indeed. Well, yeah, this is the traffic I was talking to you about. I can take it aram se. The brakes are very good. Seriously. The stock brake pads are very, very good. I guess the brake pad has been changed only 3 times, that's all. Yeah. अरे चलो भाई. This I don't like. I really like this bike. Well, I can drive this bike anyway at any time I want, but I didn't feel this bike should be shown in YouTube. Well, anyways, well, here we go. This is the 2018 Avenger 220 Street. If you guys like this bike, make sure you like the video. If you want to know more about this bike, let me know. I would make a video on it. There are still few upcoming projects coming on this bike. We are planning to take the bike on a long ride somewhere, maybe Leh Ladakh. Future plans. Well, yeah, this is it. This is CJ signing off. I'm just gonna tell you guys, stay safe, stay home. Well, we came out on a business time, so we needed something, so we just came out. My god, see, I'm in 4th gear, 30-40 speed. It's taking very smoothly. I don't know what kind of tuning this bike has, but I love it. I love this kind of tuning. Okay guys, this is CJ signing off. Take care, bye bye. See you guys all on my next upcoming videos. Bye bye. Peace out.